Hello, my name is Lisa Pennington and I'm the Governor General of the Mayflower Society. Welcome to Town Square. It was here that not only the Pilgrims forged their community, but also 250 years later, they convinced Plymouthians here to join the Patriot cause. Behind me is the meeting house where the Pilgrims first built their fort/meeting house, courthouse, townhouse. And 250 years ago, Plymouth was trying to make a decision about whether they were going to go Patriot or whether they were going to go Loyalist. So some of the town fathers decided, let's drag Plymouth Rock up from the harbor on Leyden Street all the way up to Town Square so we can inspire Plymouthians to the Patriot cause. So they got 10 teams of oxen and they pulled the rock, and at some point in the journey, it split in two. Oops. But they took the top half of the rock and they put it right here in front of this building, the 1749 courthouse. Then Patriots would stand on the rock and exhort their fellow townsmen to join the Patriot cause. And it seems to have worked because Plymouth definitely went for the Patriots. And here, they put a liberty pole, which stood for years, and right behind me in the meeting house, they flew a flag which copied Patrick Henry's statement, liberty or death, and also from the meeting house, they rang the bells, and possibly rang the bells during the Lexington and Concord alarm. And that's why we're here today. The bells in the meeting house have now been put back into operation, and we are going to honor both our Pilgrims and our Patriots today, right before 4th of July, by playing those bells and playing a series of revolutionary songs that both the Patriots and the Pilgrims would have loved.